Welcome to the Farm Truck and AZN YouTube channel,
where it is what it isn't.
Never mind. I'm in here.
We ain't got no headlights in this thing. How are we gonna do burnouts with no headlights? The good thing that Albert here at Edinburgh thought of everything. The lights.
Oh, there's lights.
Are on in the burnout pit.
Perfect. The rain and the wind came and we stripped our booth down. And before we call it a day, maybe, we just want to do some burnouts.
Hey, if it rains, I welcome it. We can do burnouts in the rain. That's where we all really kind of learn to drive. Fishtailing in the rain and the snow, you know? So, we gotta unload these tires and jacks and stuff.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do it. Look at all the people here for the burnout.
Oh, dude, this is the biggest crowd we've had yet.
That's right.
Starting about where Jeremy is and then tipping it in?
Yeah.
Yep. I think your truck would do it better than that.
Okay. Maybe it will. I say we kick it off with both of us out there.
Go for it.
All right, close it.
Yep.
Ready?
Let her eat.
Here we go. Holy! Let's go!
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, he's on the rim! Yeah! Crazy motherfucker. Dude.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all are some crazy ass motherfuckers. Holy shit.
Yeah, you're still good.
Yeah, but those are brand new.
Oh.
So,
We off the boat.
Yeah, the boat down.
okay.
Oh, dude, you're close.
All right, you know, come on around here, Asian. All right, check it out. Okay, we got two tires. We're down to it. All right.
Okay, yeah.
I want to make a $5 bet with you on which one is going to pop first. Right? Okay.
Oh.
So,
The left one, the driver's side.
is that what you're thinking?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm going to name that tire 2 pop for sure.
2 pop for sure.
All right, lock it in. $5.
Driver's side.
All right,
driver's side,
I'll
yeah.
take this one.
Okay, yeah,
right?
$5.
Because that one there, look at it, dude. It's got metal showing.
All right.
Right?
All right.
The bet's been made though.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
bet has been
the
made.
bet has been made.
Yeah, I could just. Okay.
Maybe with some driving skill.
Nah.
You see?
That one's gone.
You see?
2 pump for sure.
Two. What are you naming your tire?
Oh, once you pop,
Adam?
once you pop, you can't stop.
I'm very comfortable out there with you, you know? It's kind of like enduro racing.
Right.
You know, you're out there with other cars, you know? We're both doing the same thing. This is way crazier, having 2 cars out there, than it is enduro racing, because everyone's trying to win.
Oh, yeah.
Right? We're just trying to put on a show for people.
Well, send these tires to heaven.
Okay?
Yep.
And finish the bet.
And finish the bet.
All right, let's do it.
And Jeremy, you do what you do. Oh, he's in there doing it. Get him, keep This kid in the red. Give this kid a ride. He may not make it. Okay. Give him, hey, box. Switch seats with this kid in the red here.
You can drive it. For him?
Yep. It'll mean more coming from you.
All right. Yep.
Roger that. The little kid in the red is expecting a kidney transplant.
Oh, man.
And so it's got a rough ride.
Yeah.
So hey, maybe give him a good memory, you know? Yep, let's check this.
What?
Good. Micro switch. Oh, that's hooked up. Kill it.
Kill it.
Shut it off a second. That might have been it. It's not turning the micro switch on.
It's not clicking right. I needed to
Bend that down a little bit more. Yeah, kind of force feed it. Bend it down the other way. Yeah, go that way. There we go.
get.
Try it now.
Oh, they're both in the back seat?
Yeah, I apprehended 2 suspects.
Yeah?
All right. Get out of there.
I was getting launched.
I bet you'll never do that again.
Hey, I'll do it for
But I
a
hope
million.
not. I hope not. All right.
Thank you guys very much. Thank you. That's awesome. Kid in red's gonna be kidney transplant.
Oh, he is.
So he's going through a rough time.
Okay, yeah.
He gonna have some good memories.
Good call, eh?
Yeah.
Hell yeah,
call.
good job.
Man, we always try to take care of everybody.
His third time.
His third time. So hopefully the third time the charm. His mom's already did it, but it's his best friend. Thank you.
Where's the mom?
All right, we appreciate you bringing them out. And, you know, hey, we don't get very many opportunities to let loose, have a good time. You'll learn that, right? And so later in life, remember you can still always do this if you want to, okay?
Yep.
Hey, you keep him close, yeah? Yeah, you take care of your friends, they'll take care of you, yeah?
Yeah.
Deal?
That's right.
All right.
All right, lock that in.
Okay?
Yep.
No matter what, you're gonna look after your buddy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna look after your buddy, right? All right, that's all that matters. Yep. All right.
All right, let's settle the bet right quick. You ready?
Yep, I'm rolling.
All right, so 2 pop for sure. You were right.
I know. I knew it was coming, right?
Right.
You dropped an album and a tire.
I'll tell you what.
Oh.
I'm impressed.
Okay.
Because you looked at the other tire and you called. You looked at the right tire. You called the left tire.
Okay.
Right.
Well, I'm impressed also.
What?
Because I didn't pay you, and then you bet $5, and so we're actually even.
Oh yeah. That's right.
Yeah. Fair square.
Even Steven.
All right. Awesome.
Yeah.
That's a bet that anybody would want to pay. You know?
Yeah.
Doing burnouts on which tire's going to pop first.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Right.
That's a good
Okay.
one. And the name was good.
Yeah.
Pop for sure.
Hey, Farmtruck and AZN here. Thank you for sticking around and watching our YouTube videos.
Since you're a viewer and hopefully a subscriber, drop by our website, okcfarmtruck.com, and use discount code FNAYouTube to get 10% off your next order.
It's our way of saying thank you.